Good morning, you lovely people. Yeah, it's another great day. It's sunny from the start. Oh, you can't see it here. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning and it's already really sunny. So it's gonna be a very good day. We're gonna go to Similon Island today. We're leaving Siquijor. It was really nice. Such a cool island with a lot of places to see. Make sure to go to JJ's Backpackers. That's where we were. It's a nice hostel, good beach, good food, nice people. So yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. It was nice to meet you. Bye. So guys, I'm feeling a little better. My foot is not as swollen as yesterday anymore, so it doesn't look like a hobbit foot. But still it hurts a bit. But it doesn't really matter, we want to go to the next destination. Yeah, we're really excited because we heard that it's going to be a really nice island. Maybe even better than Siquijor, but we'll see. Bye bye, lovely scooter. It was nice having you too. So guys, I can only recommend you to buy a scooter or get a scooter, to rent a scooter, sorry, whenever you on the island of Siquijor. Reason being, you could also take all these tuk-tuks and stuff, but you're always gonna pay. And because the island is pretty big, the scooter is just the easiest way to get around. So make sure to get one. It's $3.50 for a day, which equals €7. That's basically roughly $7.50, $8. And yeah, for one person it's more than in Thailand or Cambodia or in Vietnam. But if you divide it to if you have two persons, then yeah, it's €4 each, which is completely fine. And yeah, then you get around way easier and you can explore the island on your own and you don't have to go by tuk-tuk all the time. So guys, we're here having breakfast in a couple minutes. Yeah, just next to the port, and this is by far the cheapest restaurant we've been to. I'll show you really quick. You get a classic burger for less than €2. Or you get your breakfast for 90 peso, which is €1.80. I was wondering why it's so cheap here. Maybe because it's the place of where the government runs everything. Because everything we've seen so far was way more expensive. And yeah, I think I gotta ask them why this is. Yeah, why this is the situation. This is the cheapest place we've been so far.
Oh, you mean the prices?
Yeah.
It's good, yes, this is affordable.
Yeah, but why is it like that? Because we thought that if we go inwards to any other restaurant, they will sell cheaper than this place straight at the harbor, you know?
I didn't know.
Okay.
I didn't know.
So this is what you get for breakfast. Yeah, not the best burger I've ever eaten, but it's all right for like €1 and 80 cents. It's completely fine. You have some fries on the side. In my opinion, you need another one, otherwise you won't be full. But that's still all right. You can get a burger here for €1. That's McDonald's prices. Completely fine, and they're self-made, so that's all right. So guys, we've been making it on the ship, and yeah, now it's another, I think, 1.5 hours or maybe a bit less to get onto the other island. From there we take the scooter to the next port and then on to Cebu. From Cebu we have to go up the east coast to Oslob, where we're gonna dive with the whale sharks today, maybe, or hopefully the weather is gonna clear up even more, so that we have a good conditions to see the whale sharks in their whole beauty, and yeah, ready to go. And then hopefully we're gonna get onto Siquijor Island today, because I need to relax really. Guys, we've been making it to Tumagetti. I had a quick sleep on the boat. Maybe that's why I look a bit tired right now, but from here, yeah, we're gonna take a tuk-tuk and to the next port, and then we go over to the main island again. The first thing I noticed here is that as soon as we come back or closer to the mainland, it starts raining, which is not so nice, but we're gonna make the best out of it. Hello! No. So guys, we've just been picked up by a tuk-tuk. We actually want to take the chipney, which is just 11 peso from here to Sibulan Port. But we couldn't find the location where it takes off, so we were standing at a corner, and then a Filipina woman saw us, that we didn't have a clue where to go, and she was so kind. She just asked us where we want to go, so we told her where we want to go, and she sorted everything out for us very quickly. Again, you see how friendly the people here are on the Philippines, because they help you with everything. They see that you are lost, they help you straight away. Very nice. So guys, this little plate is lunch for today. Guys, look what it says here on the board. This one is also very good. Same as that. Like everywhere you go in the Philippines, and when you go from one place to another, then they have these little quotes everywhere, which is quite nice. And in my opinion, they're all true. Look how clear the water is, guys. This is at least 5 or 6 meters, and you can still see the bottom easily. This is Cebu actually, it's not too far.